everyone, welcome to Kinja Online Shop. Here, this is Bella, and the next here is my partner, Wendy.
Hello, guys. It's a long time no see. Welcome back to our Kinja live show. This is Wendy from Kinja Digital Company, and we are printer factory located in Guangzhou for over 50 years.
And recently, the exchange rate situation has improved, and which is more positive for the importer, right?
Yes, Bella. Before the exchange rate is like 6.2, and now it's become 6.6 or 7 against the dollar to RMB. So it's a very good time to importing the goods from China.
Yeah. Yes, there's no doubt that it's very good for the importers. And are there and many friends have no importer experience? It doesn't matter even if you have no experience for the importing. We will do our best to help you to solve the importing problems.
Yeah.
And whether you are a retailer, a reseller, or the new to DTS, today you can learn more here. And let's back to our topic and how to use the DTS to make more money at the lowest price.
Wow, that's amazing. So if you have interest in this kind of business, so please stay with us and give us the like and comments, and we will show you the process of the DTF on our live show. Yeah.
Yes, if you are interested in DTF textile business, please follow us and keep watching with us, and we will share you the more amazing the way to save money to you here.
Yes. Okay, Bella, just over there, I see a DTF machine. Could you introduce this to our clients?
Yes, as you can see, this is a DTF with a separate printing part and the shaking powder part. And as you can see, this is the printing part. And
you can come closer.
Yes, closely. And this is.
What kind of print hand that used on this printer?
This is the control panel. You can see this is the automatic cleaned. Yes, the whole part is automatic. Can you see that? If you want to see clearly, you can leave a comment and we will reply you as soon as possible.
Yes, and now Bella is showing you how to use the cleaning function of the printer. We can come closer to see.
The cleaning system is working. Can you see that?
Yeah, it will work automatically.
And as you can see, this is the printing part. The frame of the printer is used of the all aluminum.
Yes.
All aluminum.
Yes.
And will make the printing more stable. And no matter how the speed is, it will not affect the printing.
Yeah. You can come closer and see. We can make the printing now.
And the printer is working. You can see clearly the printer first print the CMYK color and then print the white color. You can observe the order in which the color are printing. This is the PET film.
So in the market, there is two kinds of PET film, and the one we are using now is the double coating PET film, which is also the most popular film that we are using in the market. Hello, new friends. Hello.
And the print and the DT. This the DTF printer with two Epson 4720 print heads. As we know the 4720 print heads is the most stable and durable water base in the world, and for best printing for textile printer and water-based use ink.
Okay, Bella, we have some new friends coming in our live show. Let's say hi to them. Hello, new friends. We have a customer ask us what print head that's used in the printer. Just like Bella says, this printer we are using now, the print head we're using is the 4720, but we also have the i3200 for option, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
From many customer feedbacks, one set of our machines and can output 214 square meter per day.
And yes, just now we also have a customer asking what is the speed for this printer. Just like Bella says, the printing speed can reach 10 square meter per hour, and if you work whole day 24 hours, it can reach 240 square meters per day for whole day printing. Yeah.
Yes, and
And for such umbrella for this printer, the market need is huge and the speed is very fast. Could you explain the other part, the following part to our customer?
yes, as you can see, after the printing, the PET film will come to the shaking powder machine. This is the shaking powder machine, and this is the
control panel for the powder shaker machine.
Yes, and this is the shake powder speed.
Yeah.
Shake powder speed, and that is the box to store the powder. We put the powder into that, and after the spray the powder.
Okay, Bella, there's some new customers asking us, can we have 4 hands on our printer?
Yes.
Yes, our printer have 2 hands on and 4 hands for option. If you have the faster, if you have the large production capacity, you could choose our 4 hands DTF machine. And for the price of our printer, welcome to leave us comments, and our workmate will contact you later for more information. Yes.
As you can see, the printer part and the shaking powder part, only one person can control. You can see our technician.
Yes, very saving the labor cost. Yeah.
Yes, and our technician is control the button.
Yeah, for this part, the speed also can be adjusted, right?
Yes, and we have a design. You can see the under the shaking powder part, and this is the box to store the exact powder, and this powder can be used recycle.
Wow, so, recycle use.
Yes, and so it also can save them more money.
Yeah.
And this is the shaking powder working. All the paths is automatic. No people control them, right? So it's very save the labor cost.
Yeah.
And then you can see that. This is the mesh bell. Mesh bell. It is to shake powder more evenly, and it also can control the heat temperature. And you can see that there are more hold. The function of the hold is stick to the PET film, and the film will not move. Can you see that? And the hole and the bells made the shaking part is more stable, and without person to control them. And this is the
shaking part for
yes the
made
whole
the inks
part.
and the PET film dry. Yeah. Hello, new friends.
Welcome.
Welcome to our live show. This is Wendy, and my
Bella.
partner Bella. Today we are showing you the DTF printer working %. Yeah.
And you can see the rear also have the belt and the hole.
Yeah, this is the mesh belt.
Mesh belt.
It's very good for the customer who wants to print the samples or the piece materials using this powder shaker machine.
Yeah. Yes. Before you produce large products, you can do a sample for tax. So this is very convenient and also save the money. And that this is the raw system. The raw system is help the shaking part to control.
And here you could check the this is our take-up system. It's which also automatically working. So when you finish printing the films, the take-up system will take up the materials automatically, and you could make it stock in your factory in a rows, and just cut it out when you need them.
Yes. And then you can see the printing path and the shaking path. All of them are the process.
It's fully automatically. And Bella, okay, if you have hello new friends. Okay, the customer asking what is the usage of this black tool. That is very good question. Okay, hello new friends. That is a very good question for this black tool. It's to connect our air purifier machine. As you know, the powder shaker machine, when it's working, there will have some powder or the oil will occur when the machine is working and the heating temperature. So we connect this black tool is for making the better working environments. So if you have more questions for this machine or this black tool, you could leave us the comments and our sales will contact you as soon as possible for more details. Okay. Hello new friends.
Welcome.
Yeah, welcome. So, Bella, thanks for your such valuable information. And could you show our customer the heating result?
Yes.
Make a transfer. We will show you how to make a transfer on
Yes.
the fabrics. Okay.
Yes. This is the heat press machine, and
Yeah,
this is
this
the
is our
heat
heat press
press
machine.
machine.
You see it on the ground.
And the machine is a heat and heating.
Yeah, you could see the temperature here. It needs to up to like 160 degrees.
And the machine only heat for 8 seconds.
Yeah. So we are going to make a sample.
这个
We are going to make a transfer and on the fabrics to show you. Okay.
and hello. You can see
Sorry.
you can see there are many colors of the clothes. And the clothes, all of the clothes are printed by our DTF machine. You can see.
Yes, dear.
Hello,
Hello, new
hello.
friends. Yeah, these are the samples we made before. As you can see, it's not only can apply on the black dark color t-shirts, and it's also can use on the white color t-shirts, and all the colors very vivid. We can come closer to see.
And the color want fat. The color want fat. You can see. No degamming.
Yes, you can structure the fabrics.
The quality is very good.
Yes. I want to buy 10 t-shirts in to my house and keep it as my usual work wears.
Anybody want to to order t-shirts
Yeah.
for ourselves?
Yeah. And our technician just cut the samples and it's ready to make the heat press.
Yes, his press machine is working. Through the whole printing and shaking. The the DTF is very easy to control.
Yeah. And we need to wait for like 8 seconds, and just when you hear the BB sounds, and the transfer is ready.
很棒。
Okay. And we need to wait the temperature cool down because just finished the heat press. The temperature is in a very hot. It's very hot temperature, so we need to wait the temperature cool down, and maybe for 5 seconds.
And
after that, we can go. We can take it off and just like that, the printing is finished. Yeah. And Bella, you know that in the market there is so many customer will ask. We ask what is the difference between the DTG and the DTF? Could you make a little explanation to our customer?
And yes, compared with the DTG, the DTF has a more advantage, such as the DTF will save more material, ink, and save the labor cost.
Yes, from the materials way, there are just a very big difference on the ink price, right?
Yes.
Could you tell us the price for the DTF and the price for the DTG of the ink?
Yes, and based on our KingJet brand DTF machines, our actual printing cost calculation, the cost of the DTF one A4 size is only spend 0.0 0.2, 0.2 to 0.3 US dollar, and the cotton is including the PET fuel and ink and powder.
Wow.
So the printing cost is very affordable.
Yes, very cost effective. It's saving a lot of money on the printing and 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 you just mentioned that the printing cost just needs 0.2 to 0.3
Yes.
for one A4 size printing, right? And
Yes.
however, in the market, the t-shirts they are selling like the Unicorn and other famous brands. They are selling like 10 over 10 for $15 for one t-shirt. So you could see how much profit you could earn from the DTF printing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the temperature is now is already cooled down. We can make the we could show you the the transfer result.
You can see.
You can come closer and see.
Very
Wow.
beautiful.
Yes, that's very easy. Very easy to use.
And
Yeah.
the quality is very good.
Yeah, the hands is very
No
good.
degamming.
Yeah. You could see the back side. Yeah. Hello, new friends. Yeah, today we are in our KingJet live show for the DTF printing. We will show you how much profit that you using the DTF printer to printing the t-shirts.
Yes, and about the production cap,
Capacity
yes,
for
capacity for the DTF and DTG. The the DTF has more advantage, such as the DTF is at least 10 10 square meters per hour.
10 square meter per hour for
Yes,
DTF.
yes,
Oh.
but the DTG will but the DTG is about the 0.2 square meter per hour. So the so the compare is very clean.
Yeah, it's almost 10 times for the 10 times the faster speed for the DTF than the DTG. Yeah.
Yes, and about the labor cost, about the labor cost, um, the DTF is will the DTF will save more the labor cost. And
Yes, because for DTG, you must need to wait one T-shirt finish printing and then change another T-shirt to print. But for the DTF, you just need to print all the design in one load. Let me show you. You just need to print all the design in one load and use it when you need the designs and cut it off. And so it's very safe the labor cost to operate the process. Yeah.
yes, and as for the printing cost, the DTF will save more money because if you make a print mistake for DTF you just waste a 0.5 piece of film, but for the DTG you will waste the whole clothes.
Yeah. Just you know for one hoodie it costs almost an $8 for one hoodie. So
Yes.
if you have some mistake on the printing for the DTG, it will lose all the whole hoodies. And we have a question from the new friends. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. What is the price for the machine? What is the price for the machine? Okay, thanks for your inquiry. Please send us your contact details and our sales will contact you later as soon as possible. Okay? Yes, please leave your contact to us. And don't forget today today we will have some special offer and a surprise offer to you. Yeah, just leave us the comments and give us the like.
Yes.
So that's hello, my friend.
Yes. And then we will send you the product catalog.
Yeah, we will send you catalog later after the live show. Okay.
And
Hello, new friends.
and and then our friend has a question. What's
Okay, what
the
is the warranty?
warranty? Wow, that's the
that
important
yeah.
question.
Yeah, that is a very good question because when the customer is buying goods overseas, the warranty and the after sales will be the one of the main factor they will concern when they're making the decision. So from our Kinjet, as we are the printer manufacturer over 15 years, and our main market is also overseas, so we pay close attention on our warranty and after sales. For the machine, we have 1 year warranty, and for the after sales, we will provide you a one-to-one online support. And if you have more interest, please do not hesitate to give us your contacts and your online your email address, and our sales could contact you for more details. Okay? Yes.
What's the board for our DTF printer?
What is the cost for our DTF printer? Just like Bella says just now, for example, for a A4 size printing, the cost just needs 0.2 to 0.3 for one A4 size printing, which is including the fill, including the ink, and including the powder we need.
And do you have technician support? Of course, and we will provide you one by one to support one by one technician to you.
Yeah, please don't worry about our after sales service. Yeah. Okay, and what is the board brand for our DTF printer? We are using the Hansen boards. You know that is one of the famous boards in the China market for the printer for the printer. Yeah, it's also very stable on using the Epson print hands. Yeah. And back to our today's topic. Our topic is how to please repeat to our customer again, Bella.
Today our topic is how to use the DTF to make more money at the lowest price.
Yeah. And due to the limited time, so thanks for your watching and your message and comments today. We will see you in next week. So now it's time to for say goodbye and see you next time.
See you.
See you.